So I just got my Amnesty doorbell, which I want to use for my dog. So, of course it came as such. I just used a screwdriver to see here where the arrow is. I just used a screwdriver to pop that open. And I just finished pulling the little plug out of the battery. So the battery came with it. It just had the plug to keep it safe. Keep it from using itself. I'm going to snap it back together. Plugged it into the nearest outlet there. Nice. Now comes the part where I train the dog to use it. When you have a dog that is this lovable and cute, how could you possibly make them stay outside when they don't want to? Aw. Say it, Piper. Say it, say, please let me in.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like being left outside? When it's cold and you want to come inside?
No.
No. Hey, Piper. You see your doorbell? Look it. Come here, Piper. Get your treat. Get your treat. To your foot. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. And then we open the door. Chit. Okay. And then we open the door.